In today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump fuse and fuel pump relay locations for your 1999 through 2002 Ford Expedition. In order to locate the power distribution box, open the hood. The fuse box is located on the driver's side. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. The fuel pump fuse is a 20 amp fuse. It is number 10 on the diagram. The actual physical location of the fuse is shown in the picture. The fuel pump relay is numbered R301 and is shown in the picture. If you're concerned that either your fuse or relay is bad and might be an issue, please see the links to our other videos and playlists down in the description below for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.